Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you remember in which chapter we were studying chapter number 2, work and energy. And we had seen in that mechanical energy have two forms, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. I hope you all remember. Okay, in the last session we had seen what kinetic energy is, and we had solved the few examples related to the expression of that. Now we'll be continuing with potential energy. As we had seen, the energy which is being in motion, that energy is called as kinetic energy. Now, what potential energy is? The energy stored in an object because of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. The energy जो स्टोर की जाती है in an object because of its specific position, जो उसके पास एक specific position है, एक state होता है particular एक चीज के पास, that an object has, वो energy जो उसके पास स्टोर की जाती है, that is called the potential energy. Now we'll be seeing the expression for the potential energy. As we had solved the expression for kinetic energy with the help of using Newton's laws. I hope you all remember that, and hope you have been solved them as well. Now for the expression of potential energy, let us consider an object of mass m which to a height of h above the ground, above the earth's surface. This is the earth's surface, okay? This is the earth's surface, and this is the height h of, this is the object of mass m. A force equal to mg has to be used against the direction of the gravitational force. The amount of work done can be calculated with the help of the worker formula. I hope you remember the worker formula is force into displacement, and in here force is given with the help of gravitational force. So mass into gravitational force into the height, wherein the height is the displacement over here. So work in potential energy is given by W is equals to mhg. Now the amount of potential energy stored in the object because of its displacement is, potential energy is equals to mass into gravitational force into height, that is displacement, and work is equals to potential energy. Displacement to height h causes energy equal to mass into gravitational force into height to be stored in the object. Now let us see a beautiful and a simple example related to potential energy का expression. Consider if 500 kg water is stored in the overhead tank of 10-meter high building. Calculate the amount of potential energy stored in the water. This is as simple as it is given. Okay, हमारे पास mass है, we have the height even, and we just have to calculate the potential energy because we know the gravitational force, that is 9.8 meter per second square. So we have to just put all the values in here. We just have to put all the values in here, and the final outcome is here. That is 49,000 joules. I hope you all remember that work ka unit is joule. Now let us continue with the transformation of energy. I hope you all had seen and you all have felt कि बहुत सारी type of energies है in the world. Like हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में भी we use, सबसे पहले जब हम मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं तो we heat up the water so that हम बात ले सके हमारे नहाने के लिए, we heat up the water. तो which sort of energy is required in that? उसके लिए we require heat energy, and कंपल्सरी नहीं है वो हीट जो है वो किसी इलेक्ट्रिकल चीज यानी गीजर से या फिर हीटर से आए, बट जो सोलर एनर्जी होती है दैट इज बीन कन्वर्टेड, दैट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड टू हीट एनर्जी. सो एनर्जी कैन बी कन्वर्टेड to transformation of energy. How energy is being transformed to the seeing here. It's just piece of rubber, fast moving car, etc. and etc. Some examples given over here. We have to classify them कि ये कौन सी energy किस में है. Energy can be transformed from one type to another For example, the exploding firecrackers convert the chemical energy stored in them into light, sound, and heat energy. Always we have to remember energy is always being converted from one form of energy to another form. ऐसा नहीं होता कि energy जो है exploit हो जाती है, exhaust हो जाती है. It is always been converted from one form to another form. As I said, as I gave you example of the solar energy की जो solar energy store की जाती है with the help of sunlight, जो sunlight से solar energy हमें मिलती है, that has been used in many sort of things like हमारे जो heaters है, हमारे जो geysers है, बहुत सारी चीजें electrical चीजें, and उसमें चीजें convert की जाती है, energy convert होती है, तो each and every energy is being transformed and or else being converted. So let us stop it over here. I hope you had gain some information about the energies and what sort of energy we are going to see in the another session. Let us continue the how exactly with an example how exactly the energy is been transformed from one form to another form.